Hello everyone, here we are in richpeace home textile equipment factory. Today we will show you an automatic super huge sewing machine for wind turbine blades, suitable for sewing of composite materials such as fiberglass and cotton fiber in the aerospace and wind power industry. It can show 2 to 25 layers of glass fiber fabric. With huge working area, 2.3 by 6.5 meter, adopt richpeace independent development sewing height with higher sewing accuracy. With automatic bobbin changer device, improve production efficiency. Adopt Windows 7 control system with remote network diagnosis and maintenance functions. Sewing speed can reach 1,000 to 3,000 stitches per minute. Stitches length can be 2 to 20 millimeters. The distance between two straight lines of quilting is 100 millimeters. Equipped with needle cooling device, which can reduce the temperature of needle during the sewing process to ensure the strength of needles and extend the life of needle. With safety sensors beside the shadow frame of the quilting area to protect operators. Today we introduce you automatic wind turbine blade sewing machine. In the following, we will show you more quilting machine models. Follow us to learn more home textile solutions.